Okay, so you want to know how to grow your own Instagram theme page business in 2023. So rest assured, I've got all the answers that you're going to need in this video. I have my own Instagram network of over 500,000 followers. I basically, in my spare time, grow loads of spare accounts and I sell them, I flip stuff on them. The Instagram theme page business is very much alive in 2023, no matter what people might say about Instagram being dead. Instagram's not dead, Instagram's constantly changing and evolving. There are millions and millions of people using Instagram every day. And with that much advertising potential, you can really make some money on Instagram very easily. All right, so before we get into how you can make your own Instagram page and the first few steps that I would do, first, I want to cast you back to 2021. So in 2021, I was a novice. I had no experience in Instagram marketing at all. It was just a bit after COVID. I was looking to make some money. So in 2021, I made this animal page. Now this page is called Animals Are Amazing. It is one of my many Instagram pages that I do run. As you can see now, it has over 220,000 followers. So this page just took me about just under 2 years to get to this point now. And where it's at now, it is basically a titan of a page. You know, the page itself is probably worth around £3,000 if I was to sell it, but there's no point in selling it because I can make money on it by selling other stuff. So on this animal Instagram page, I sell turtle bracelets, I sell dolphin bracelets, I also sell Instagram shout outs from people, you know, wanting to help grow their accounts, as well as some affiliate links that brands might send my way. All in all, this animal Instagram page brings me in an extra £400 each month. And keep in mind, this is just one of my pages. I've actually got 5 big pages. So if you're looking to generate an income stream like that and get started on this whole Instagram train, I'm going to show you everything that I did to grow this page. Now, obviously, it doesn't need to be an animal page. I've actually got a lot of different Instagram pages in different niches. You know, I've got one in fashion, I've got one in travel. What I would recommend is you pick a page that you'd actually enjoy and watch the content yourself. Otherwise, you might get bored of posting on it. So yeah, definitely make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this video. I make videos like this all the time on how you can make some extra money, and I'm definitely gonna make some more videos on Instagram and stuff in the future. If you're like me back in 2021, you didn't know how these people were earning money. You don't get paid from Instagram, you get paid from brands, or you get paid from affiliate marketing, or you get paid from different Instagram accounts. So before you start your page, you need to actually have a plan of where you're going to take this page and how you're going to monetize it. It's good to know how you're going to monetize your page before you start it, so you don't just make a page that, you know, might be very hard to monetize. So the way that I've done Animals Are Amazing is the main source of income comes through a dropshipping site. So basically what I've done is I've made a turtle bracelet dropshipping site where I sell turtle bracelets, and obviously I make a profit on every single bracelet I sell. It's good to have an idea of how you're going to monetize the page. Now you can get creative with this. You can monetize it in a lot of different ways. Affiliate marketing is one of the biggest ways to monetize a page. I've actually got a fashion page where I have affiliate marketing with brands like Nike, Adidas, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing. Send people to this landing page website. If you don't know what a landing page is basically just where you send your viewers and stuff on the link in your bio, and then when they open the landing page, they'll see like all the deals and stuff that you might be offering them on like Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing or Nike and stuff, and you can showcase the best deals. And when they click on that link, basically the link will take them to the actual website, like Nike's official website and stuff. And when they actually buy it on the Nike website or whatever, Nike will pay you for, you know, giving traffic to their website. Now this is probably the easiest way to start earning money on Instagram, because affiliate marketing is very scalable. You can start with like 1,000 followers and you can scale it up, and you can see these numbers go up and up and up every single month. And it's something that I would recommend anyone to do right now because it is very low cost to entry. Okay, so there is actually loads more ways you can earn money on Instagram, such as getting shout outs and stuff. So basically pages that might have less followers than you will ask you, you know, can you shout my page out? You know, I'll give you 20 quid if you shout my page out. Or it might be a different brand that are selling a product that your followers might be interested in. Say my animal page again, for example, you know, pet businesses that sell pet products and stuff will contact me and they'll pay me like upwards of £50 for like 2 Instagram stories and a post. I'll post on my animal page saying, check out, you know, Dog Eaters R Us, and give them a follow and check out their products, and they'll pay me to do that. So yeah, that's another way in how you can make money with an Instagram page. There are so many different avenues. I hope I've got you thinking of what you could do yourself. So yeah, now that you've got an idea of how you want to monetize your page, like I said, it literally could be anything. Let's say, for example, you want to make a travel page. You know, you could be affiliate marketing with travel, so you could redirect people to cheap flights on Skyscanner and stuff. So basically, if you don't know what Skyscanner is, it's an example of an affiliate marketing website right there. Skyscanner basically redirects the customer to the best, cheapest flight out there right now. Now, Skyscanner don't do this for the, you know, the good of their heart. So they provide an affiliate link to all the links that you click on the website. So if you click on that and go to EasyJet's website, Skyscanner gets a cut of that. So that's how they're using affiliate marketing. If you was to start a travel page, you know, you could redirect people to cheap flights, like Skyscanner, build a landing page like that, and then every flight that is booked through your travel page, you know, you're going to get a commission off that, and flights are pretty expensive, so you'll get a nice cut. Okay, so you know you can make money on Instagram now. I hope I've got that through to you, because a lot of people struggle with the, you know, how you actually earn money on Instagram part. I might make a video on like each individual one of these topics and go into it in more detail, so make sure you subscribe and to check that out. But let's actually get onto how you can grow your page and, you know, get to the point where you can start earning, you know, 200, 300, 400 pound a month. Right, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to make an Instagram account. That's it, that's simple enough. What I would do is I'd make a name. Don't make the name anything silly, you know, don't have any numbers, don't have any dashes, something easy that rolls off the tongue, like Animals Are Amazing, for example. Animals Are Amazing, all I added was 3 G's at the end of it, because obviously Animals Are Amazing was taken. Play around with this, don't think too much into this. It's important, but it's not that important. Right now, so you've got your page, you need a logo. You don't have to pay for a logo. Go online, make a free logo on Canva or something. It's not too difficult. So yeah, I've just signed into Canva, get a logo on there, and just edit the text and something. Very simple to do. Right, so now you've got a name, you've got a logo. Let's get that bio going. Your bio needs to be something very snappy. It needs to tell the people that are coming to your page about your page, and it needs to do it very concisely, because people's attention spans are they're low these days. Okay, so something like home of the best daily travel videos. Okay, so you've got a basic looking Instagram page going now. It's you know, you're starting out, it's looking good. Now what I do is you need to start making content. Now, to make content for a theme page, you don't actually have to make the content yourself. This is the gold mine of all Instagram pages. I probably should have opened with this. What you can do is you take the content from other people. So what you need to do is you need to find some people in your niche. Now, for the sake of this video, let's go into a travel Instagram page. So what I'd do is I'd literally search on Instagram travel, and then one of the first ones that comes up is this page called Travelgram. Now, Travelgram, as you can see, is a theme page that posts travel videos every single day, you know, a couple a day, and what they've got going for themselves is a nice little log of travel videos. Now, this is very important. So what you want to be doing is you want to be building up a portfolio of these type of videos. So what I'd do is I'd find 5 travel pages that do content that you're going to want to start posting, and then I want you to start reposting their content. But when you're reposting their content, you need to be very careful on what you do. So as you can see in this video here, he's put a nice little caption. It's important to put a caption. You need to get the viewers something to read. But then, as you can see here, they've got the credit and the location. Location is not too important, but the credit, if you don't give the credit of the people that actually made the videos, you know, you could risk your Instagram page getting taken down. So it's very important that you put the credit on in each post that you do. You know, you don't want all this hard work to go to waste. What I do to the, you know, the description of your post is I'd put the caption first. So, you know, something simple as looking at the sunrise over Switzerland, and then I put credit to whoever give you that video or the post, and then underneath that I put another dash, and then I click follow, and then at your page for more. You know, that little incentive there gets people thinking, oh, you know, this is actually good content, I'll follow the page that surprised it. And then a few lines below that, what you need is a hashtag strategy. So what you want is you want about 15 to 20 hashtags. What I do is I go to like one of these travel pages or whatever page your niche is in, and normally they're doing hashtags as well. I'd copy and paste their hashtags and put them on your post. Saves you a lot of time. You don't need to do any crazy hashtag strategies. You know, hashtags are important, but they're not that important. What I do is I just take them from their videos, and you know, you need to change your hashtags in your captions probably about every month. So it's not something that you need to constantly be thinking of. Instagram doesn't like using the same captions over and over again. Okay, so you've got your page and you've started posting content, and you know, you're doing all the right things. So how are you going to get the followers? Now, growing organically on Instagram is not as easy as it sounds. You know, you can't just post and you're going to get followers. It's not as easy as that. You know, you can, but it's going to take you years. So the way I grew my pages is by using a follow method. The follow method has got a lot of stigma over the years. People are saying, you know, it's unethical, it doesn't work, it gets you followers that aren't actually interested in your content. When you're doing the follow method, you have to do it right, and this is important. What you do is these travel pages that you've been building up, and you know, you've got a portfolio of now where you're taking their content and relaunch your page. What you need to do is go onto these travel pages, click onto their recent content, click onto the likes, and then you need to follow people that are liking that content, because 9 times out of 10 the people that are actually liking that content that they're posting are going to like the content that you're posting, and then that means they're going to like your videos as well, which means that you're going to get engagement, which actually means Instagram's going to be like, oh my god, this page is doing well, you know, he's getting loads of likes, let's suggest it to more travel people. And basically what this does is it kind of jumpstarts your page. When Instagram sees, you know, this, it's like a snowball effect. The more likes you get, the more Instagram will push it out. So what I do is I do this follow method till you get to about 3,000 followers, and then you can stop and you'll start growing organically without doing this at all. It's very simple. There are just a few rules that you need to follow. Firstly, only follow 50 people a day, never do more than that. Instagram actually has a limit and you could get action blocked. And now action blocked doesn't mean you're gonna get banned, but action blocked means you can't do anything really for like 24 hours. So you need to do 50 followers a day and keep it at that. Don't go over that. But yeah, you'll start to notice that your page is actually building traction now. So you want to be posting about 2 times a day at least, maybe 3 at the start, you know, just to get your page content going. You know, you need to be leveraging reels as well. A lot of these travel pages that you're taking content from will be posting reels. You need to be posting a lot of reels. Reels do really well, but you need to also post normal posts as well. Instagram's algorithm at the minute is crazy. A lot of people say you need to run Instagram ads or Facebook ads, you know, to build your page up at the start, and it's what a lot of businesses throw all their time and money into. But this strategy that I've just told you on how to grow your pages is literally how I've grown my Instagram net worth of over 500,000 followers. The results speak for themselves. If you're thinking about it logically, you're targeting the people that are going to be most likely interested in your content, and you're going to them, because if you don't go to them, Instagram's not going to connect the dots for you. Okay, so that is basically all you need to know about actually getting your page up and running. If you follow that strategy, you're gonna get followers, and when you start getting followers, you can then start earning money. So like I said at the start of the video, earning money on Instagram is there's lots of different avenues you can go down and stuff. When you start getting around 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, you'll notice people are going to message you saying how much for a promo. Basically what this means is they want you to shout them out on your Instagram page. You know, try and see what other people are charging around your size. But basically I'd probably charge around 10 quid for 5,000 followers and about £20 for 10,000 followers, just to get a rough idea. You know, if you're getting 2 people asking for promos a week and you've got 10,000 followers, that's an extra £60 in your back pocket. So hopefully you can see how this can scale into a business. If you want to actually open your own affiliate marketing store and, you know, proper scale your Instagram account, that is something that you need to look into. That is something that I'm going to make a video on separately, because this video is getting a bit too long. Obviously there's loads more that might go into this, and you'll learn a lot on the way. I definitely recommend you look around for tips and tricks on how to grow as well, but I've given you the basics and, you know, what's worked for me basically, and if it's worked for me, it can work for you. I'm nothing special. One thing I would advise is that you use a tool like Facebook Creator Studio, which is basically like a scheduling content thing. So basically what you can do is you can download the videos and paste them into there and schedule them, so you don't have to log into Instagram every time you do a post. But yeah, this is how I built my 500,000 network of Instagram followers. And hopefully if you follow all the steps, you'll get to this stage as well. You know what, it's not even hopefully, if you follow all these steps and you stay consistent, you will get to this stage. It's not hard, it's just consistency. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was very insightful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.